Instant noodles. Cheap, quick, and comforting. But what if the pack you just ate last night is now on a health warning list for 2025? The FDA has flagged several top ramen brands for undeclared allergens, a risk serious enough to trigger a Class 2 recall, according to Newsweek. Thousands of packs are already being pulled from store shelves. So, which brands are being named right now? What hidden danger could be sitting quietly in your kitchen? And could your 5-minute meal secretly harm someone in your family? Today, we're exposing the top 5 instant noodle brands under health warnings in 2025 and showing you the safer, affordable alternatives you can trust. You're watching BizWorld Explorer, where we reveal the truth behind everyday food brands. Hit subscribe for daily updates on hidden recalls and safety alerts. Let's dive in. Why instant noodles can be risky. Instant noodles might taste comforting and fill you up fast, but many are ultra-processed and loaded with salt. They often lack fiber, protein, or real nutrients our bodies need. Reports from the Bridge Chronicle and NewsTarget.com warn that eating these noodles too often can lead to high blood pressure, bloating, and poor digestion. It's quick food, but not always kind to your body. And lately, it's not just about nutrition. Several brands have faced serious safety warnings. One major case involves Sun Noodles S&S Cup Saimin, which was recently upgraded to a Class 1 recall, the most serious type, because it contained undeclared egg allergens, according to Green Matters and GlobalFoodConsumers.org. For anyone allergic to eggs, that could trigger life-threatening reactions. Not every brand is dangerous, of course. Many problems come from labeling errors, overly spicy flavors, or hidden additives that can upset the stomach or cause allergic flare-ups. Still, these cases remind us that something as simple as a cup of noodles isn't always what it seems. Now, you know why this matters. Let's see which brands made the list and why. Let's go brand by brand and uncover which instant noodles are facing the biggest health concerns in 2025. Brand number 1. Sun Noodle / S&S Cup Saimin. Sun Noodle is a well-known ramen brand with soft noodles and Hawaiian-style flavor. Many families buy it because it tastes fresh and cooks fast. But in 2024, that trust was shaken. Reports from IowaIndependent.com, Green Matters, and GlobalFoodConsumers.org say Sun Noodles S&S Cup Saimin was recalled after the FDA found egg that was not listed on the label. Later, the warning became a Class 1 recall, the most serious kind. That means the product could cause dangerous allergic reactions for people who can't eat eggs. The company quickly removed the noodles from stores in California, Hawaii, Nevada, and Utah. Still, many shoppers lost confidence. One small labeling mistake can create big risks for families. If you have this brand at home, check the label for egg white or egg powder. It only takes a few seconds to stay safe. Safer swap. Try Lotus Foods, Rice Ramen, Annie Chun's Vegan Ramen, or Nissin Top Ramen Soy Flavor, all egg-free and trusted by many consumers. Would you still eat it after hearing this? Comment below and subscribe for more daily food safety updates. Brand number 2. Samyang / Buldak Hot Chicken Ramen Fire Noodle Line. Samyang's Buldak noodles went viral for their extreme spice. Millions joined the Fire Noodle Challenge, showing off who could handle the heat. But in 2024, the fun turned serious. Reports from Time, AP News, and Wikipedia say Denmark's Food Safety Authority recalled several Samyang flavors, including Buldak, 3 times spicy, and hot chicken ramen, after finding very high levels of capsaicin, the chemical that makes chili peppers hot. Eating too much can cause nausea, stomach cramps, or vomiting, especially for kids or anyone with a weak stomach. After review, the milder versions were cleared for sale, but the recall reminded people that sometimes extra spicy can mean extra risky. If you still crave that bold flavor, try Samyang's cheese flavor instead. It has the same taste without the intense burn. A better choice for late-night ramen cravings. Would you still dare to take the challenge now? Tell us below. Brand number 3. Nissin Cup Noodles, Top Ramen, etc. When most people think of instant noodles, one name always comes to mind: Nissin. The company behind Cup Noodles and Top Ramen has been feeding students, workers, and busy parents for decades. It's quick, cheap, and comforting. But that comfort comes with a catch. While Nissin hasn't faced any big contamination recalls in 2025, its noodles often raise concerns about high sodium and chemical flavor enhancers. Reports from WGRZ.com, WHEC.com, and PolitiFact say that viral claims about deadly bacteria in ramen were false, but they sparked a real discussion. People are now paying more attention to what's inside their favorite brands. And for good reason. The real danger isn't germs, it's the salt. Eating these noodles too often can put stress on your heart, kidneys, and blood pressure. If you love cup noodles, try adding fresh vegetables or an egg and use only half the seasoning. You'll keep the flavor but lose the extra salt. Quick question: have you checked the noodles in your pantry lately? Go take a look and drop the brand name in the comments. I'll let you know if that batch has any recall or safety alerts. And while you're here, don't forget to hit subscribe. We uncover hidden food risks and share safer swaps every single day. Stick around. The next brand might be one sitting in your kitchen right now. Brand number 4, Indomie. For many people, Indomie isn't just a snack, it's a habit. From late-night study sessions to quick work lunches, these noodles have become a global favorite. Their bold flavors and comforting aroma make them hard to resist. But in 2025, fans got a reason to pause. Arcade reported that a batch of Indomie vegetable flavor, batch SRAA01, was recalled after officials discovered missing allergen warnings on the label. Some ingredients weren't listed correctly, meaning people with allergies to soy, nuts, or eggs could face unexpected reactions. It wasn't a huge recall, but it reminded everyone how a small detail can create a big problem, especially for families dealing with food sensitivities. If you love that quick noodle taste but want something simpler, Dr. McDougall's Right Foods Ramen is worth trying. It's made with plant-based ingredients and clear labeling you can trust. So, next time you spot Indomie on the shelf, will you toss it in your cart or think twice? Share your thoughts below. Brand number 5, Maggi. Maggi 2-minute noodles. Maggi is one of the most famous noodle brands in the world. From India to Nigeria to the US, millions love its quick cooking time and rich flavor. You can find it in most international or Indian grocery stores across America. But even big names have had their share of trouble. In the past, Maggi faced serious questions about lead content and MSG levels, especially during major recalls in India, according to Wikipedia and other reports. Since then, the company has worked hard to rebuild trust, but the controversy left a mark. In 2025, there are no major warnings in the US, yet Maggi still serves as a reminder to stay alert. People who eat it often or are sensitive to food additives or heavy metals should pay extra attention to updates from their country of origin. If you love quick noodles, try Thai Kitchen Rice Noodle Soup. Simple, mild, and certified clean label. So, would you still trust Maggi after its past recalls? Tell us below, and subscribe to stay informed about what's really inside your food. Smarter noodle choices. If you still love noodles but want to eat smarter, a few small changes can make a big difference. Try creating your own quick ramen bowl. At home, using plain dried wheat or rice noodles. They cook fast and let you decide what goes in. Add fresh vegetables like spinach, mushrooms, or carrots, and mix in some tofu, egg, or chicken for protein and balance. When using instant packs, go easy on the seasoning. Use half the flavor packet or add extra broth or water to lower the salt. You can also choose low-sodium broth or make your own with miso, garlic, and herbs for a fresh taste without the heavy load of sodium. Most importantly, keep variety in your meals. Instant noodles should be an occasional comfort, not a daily routine. Always check allergen labels and certifications, and skip the extra spicy ones that can upset your stomach. It's not about giving up noodles. It's about taking back control over what goes into your bowl. Before we wrap up, remember, this video isn't here to scare you. It's here to help you shop smarter and keep your family safe. Today, we uncovered the top 5 instant noodle brands facing health warnings, from undeclared allergens in Sun Noodle to dangerous spice levels in Samyang, and high sodium or labeling mistakes in others. These are foods we all know and trust, which makes awareness even more important. A few small choices can make a big difference for your health. So, which brand shocked you the most today? Tell us in the comments. And share this video with someone who loves noodles as much as you do. Don't forget to subscribe, because we post new food investigations every single day right here on BizWorld Explorer. And before you go, don't miss our last upload. 4 canned soups you should avoid right now, according to FDA warnings. Trust me, you'll want to see that one. Stay curious, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow.